I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today we're going to look at SodaStream, Google, and CareFusion. Okay, we're going to start out with a really nasty one here. SodaStream, as you know, Cramer's been a big fan of SodaStream, but he did tell you to take some profits before earnings, didn't he? Well, and guess what? That was a good thing. This stock had been just screaming. It was a real high flyer since it came public last year. And so stock was trading right around the 50-day moving average. They announced earnings, and guess what? Street didn't like them for a bunch of different reasons, but you'll have to watch Mad Money to see that. The bottom line is this. This stock looked like it had bottomed, okay? Looked like it came down to a low. Then the last couple days, higher prices. Then Cramer comes on Mad Money last night and says, you know what? I think this company's done. I don't think you want to own the stock even at 50 bucks. Bam, the stock's trading down after hours. So what are you going to do? I think it's pretty simple. Look, just sell the stock. Now, moving on to a brighter story, Google. Google announced Friday that it's buying Motorola Mobility Solutions. Say that fast 3 times. It's tougher than you might think. So, what happens? The stock's trading right around the 50-day moving average, and despite paying what some folks think is a premium for Motorola Mobility, we might as well check that out. Okay, kind of a big pop on this stock, wouldn't you say? There's your weekly chart. Hadn't been trading for that long. Nice little payday for the shareholders. Meanwhile, that gets us back to Google. Stock's still trading right around the 50-day moving average. It went down just, look, it was down over 15 bucks yesterday. It closed just 6 bucks down. I think this is a stock that you want to own right here, right now. Your stop, pretty easy to figure out where that is. It's right underneath the 50-day moving average. And last but not least is CareFusion. Cramer thinks this is a good defensive name that you want to be in. Look, we got some uncertain times, so put some money here in healthcare. Look, CareFusion had a big pullback here, but it's right up against the 200-day moving average. You can really get a sense for where the stock is on this weekly chart. We'll zoom in a little bit. This has been a complete reversal, okay? A complete reversal of the move. Big old puke fest here for 2 weeks, bam, and now this time we got a big move to the upside. Look at this volume, pretty nice volume. Only problem is this is where all the resistance is, right here. That's a lot of resistance. That's a lot of folks who would like to be selling you the stock, and so if you're buying, they're probably selling. We'll zoom in, look at the daily chart right here. We got about 26.50 as your upside on this. I think you want to be careful. Let this stock pull back just a little bit. Let it come back. I doubt it's going to, quote, retest this low, but at least let it pull back and flirt around with it a little bit before you get long the stock. Okay, that's it for today. I want you to get over to realmoney.com and subscribe so you can check out my articles. They're called Fitzbits. I publish them 3 or 4 times a week. You need to get those charts, baby, if you want to make some real money. Also, you can go over to my website, stockmarketmentor.com, sign up for my free trading videos. You just get on my email list. I'll send you 1 video each evening with a trade and a way to get you better as a technical trader. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.